let me walk you through on how I created this beautiful dashboard. This is the raw file. This is the first table I had, not structured, not cleaned. So I cleaned it here. Look at what I did. First of all, I structured it into table by converting it. I structured it by converting it to table. Control C, then get it to this format. Then, if you look at this place, I have as married status, that is married and single. Then what I did, instead of leaving it in I have to do find and replace the customize to colon only to M to be married and S to be single. The same also applied to gender. Gender was having F and M, which can be misinterpreted. So I did find and replace. I changed the F to female and M to male. So I formatted this to accounting, the income column to accounting. Then what else did I do? I came to this place. I came to committing. I changed this from this is what how it was before. This one was 10 plus miles. But when I did my pivot table, I was not getting the alignment as I wanted. So I changed it to more than 10 miles. Okay, actually more than 10 miles. Okay, I came to the age. I have several age. So what I did, I used if statement. Looking at the formula here, I used if statement to categorize them into age brackets, into this age range of male, of adults, elder, and youth. So this is what I did here. I used the if else statement to get this from this age column. I think that is that for now. So after which I moved to pivot table, I pivoted different column. I did average income by purchasing power. I did a customer by each bracket. I did home owners by purchase power. Then these are my sliders, which I will show you how I'm going to use it. So after I done that, I move it to a dashboard. From what I got to my pivot table, I moved all to a dashboard. This is my average income per income customer age bracket. I have income by region and also homeowner by purchase. So with my slicers here, I can easily tell what is happening in this dashboard. It made it so interactive. So if I want to see how married people purchase bike, I will do it like this. You see, it gave me how married. If I want to see only female and only in Europe region, and if I see if they are professional, these are the results I'm getting because I made my dashboard very dynamic. All right, kindly leave your feedback on this and tell me if there is any way I need to improve my color combination, my alignment, the pivot table and chart. So let me have your feedback on my comment section. Thank you for watching to the end. Bye for the now. Thank you.